Why start playing BattleTech? Let us start with the setting and what's going on. BattleTech is often compared to Game of Thrones, but with giant stompy robots. Great houses plot and scheme as brutal wars are waged across a vast universe filled with history and character. Allies are betrayed, assassinated, and overthrown on a regular basis. The major factions each have a distinct personality, such as idealistic knights, honor-obsessed samurai, or wealthy aristocrats. There are sub-factions which deviate from the norm, countless smaller factions, and a limitless stream of mercenary outfits with plenty of room within the universe to create your own. Technology starts to build up, only for it to get set back because of devastating wars. Then it gets boosted forward again because of a massive invasion by a technologically superior force. The mechs. Every mech is unique. Some are fast, some are tough, and some explode spectacularly the first time you use them. Don't ask me how I know. Equipment varies as well. Some have jump jets and a few are built for stealth, for instance. Through the ages, new ones get introduced and many old ones get upgraded. Some vanish over time, with more than a few reappearing again after a while. Factions usually have a broad core of mechs they field, but through salvage, just about any machine can end up in the hands of anyone. It's also quite common and acceptable to use proxy models. If you want to use a certain mech, but you don't have one with a specific loadout that you want to field, not a problem. And if you want to use a mech as an entirely different one, just make sure your opponent is aware, and all should be fine. We are truly spoiled for choice. The style of play. If you want a gladiatorial fight between a few mechs, classic BattleTech provides a detailed simulation for you. If you'd rather have dozens of mechs battle it out, Alpha Strike gives you a fast-paced alternative. Salvage, pilot progression, and resource management can turn your one-off game into a full campaign with many different scenarios. The hobby. The current generation of plastic miniatures are not only good looking, they are also easy to paint and perhaps most importantly, very affordable. You can collect and paint a group of mechs as part of one of the countless sites within the BattleTech universe, or you can create your own mercenary outfit with its own dashing color scheme. The community. BattleTech has been around since the 1980s and it's still here and going strong. That results in lots of lore and scenarios, tons of fan-made content, and many active communities, both off and online. If you're looking for a hobby you can grow with, BattleTech's history and fanbase give it staying power. There you have it. An affordable, deep, story-rich, tactical wargame where giant mechs blow each other to smithereens in a setting where political intrigue and campaign play give your battles real meaning. BattleTech has that and more. So,
I wish you good fortune in the wars to come. And now it begins.